I am Dr. Pradeep Nagaich, Professor and HOD of the Department of Pathology at KMC Medical College, Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh. My department is full of the faculty and it is an excellent department with excellent academic as well as clinical facilities. We are running a 1200 bedded hospital in which I am HOD of the pathology, of the clinical pathology department at hospital. We are doing all the kind of tests at the earliest time, and we have excellent facility, excellent academic as well as the clinical facility at our hospital.